This is my absolute favorite time frame to trade on. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to break down why and how you can use it to your advantage. My favorite time frame is the 2-hour time frame. In order to understand why, I always suggest you start from the higher time frames like the monthly. Here you see we have this massive gap to fill before we touch this wedge maker indicator around support. Moving down to the weekly time frame, you can see we broke out of this wedge maker indicator and are trending downwards. Moving on down to the daily time frame, we can see the wedge maker is showing us exactly what I drew on the higher time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, let's turn on the RSI and the MACD. The 4 hour is also giving us a heads up that the order block is forming at this level. I found that the 2-hour time frame often gives you a clear indication of what's going to happen next, such as this bull flag, which often indicates the market is going to have a run up. By now, you guys know the SSS 50% is my favorite indicator, giving us clarity that when price passes this daily 50% and this weekly 50%, it's go time. Something to be mindful of is earnings. Being aware of earning dates is going to help you not get into a trade and get cooked before it happens. Having clarity on where price is going to go in a semi-condensed area gives you a tactical advantage over looking at too small of a time frame and too large of a time frame to predict the next move. By the way, I made a completely free PDF going over all the indicators that I use and a checklist of what I look for before I get into the market every day. If you would like it completely free, comment SSS.